Hey girl, welcome back. So if you guys want to know how I did my nails at home, please keep watching. Alright, so I just have a bowl of hot water and my 60-second manicure hand scrub, which I will be using to give myself a mini manicure. I hope you guys are all staying safe out there. I know many of us are confined to our homes at the moment and can't go about our daily lives. So today I wanted to show you how I maintain my nails during quarantine. And the nails that I use are press-on nails by company that I will be talking about a little bit later during the video. Let me just get through the process beforehand, and I will come back and talk to you guys more about where I got them from. Alright, so after the manicure, I'm just going to put some lotion on my hands, and the lotion that I'm using is the Honey and Collagen Dry Skin Rescue Intense Moisturizer by the Honey Lab. And as you can see, my hands are nice and soft and exfoliated. Alright, so the nails came with a nail kit, some application instructions, and of course the nails. And in the kit, it comes with a alcohol pad, a nail file, a wooden cuticle stick, and some nail glue. So the first step is to use the wooden cuticle stick to gently push back those cuticles, honey. Step is to use the alcohol pad to clean off the surface of your nail. Then you're going to be taking that nail file to buff your natural nails gently and to remove any surface shine. Now it's time for the nails, honey. Alright, so I'm just showing you the thumbnail. This is a quality set, and I'm so excited and I'm so happy that I purchased these. And let me just tell you guys a little bit about where I got them from. So the lady who does these press-on nails, she has a shop on Mercari. She also has an Etsy shop, which is See Me by Medina, and her social media, I forgot her Instagram, but I will link it in the description box. Her work is quality. She is bomb, as you can see. This makes it so much easier for me to maintain my nails while keeping up with all the latest nail trends. She uses all the same products that the salons use. Visit her websites and all her social media, which will be linked in the description box, so you can see the detail she puts in her work. And what I love about her is that she is super passionate about her craft, and she focuses on making each set unique and amazing. What else? Pricing. Her pricing varies depending on the style that you want. So for instance, if you want crystals and if you want like rhinestones or whatever on your nails, that might be a little bit more pricier. But as I said, visit her social medias and take a look at all her styles that she creates. And another important thing that you need to know is before purchasing any of her sets, you need to know the size of your nails and size your nails accordingly, because she offers no refunds, honey. Okay, none. So make sure that you know your size, because if they don't fit, you're out of luck. She's super cool to work with, and I don't have anything bad to say about her at all. I just can't wait for the next set that she sends me, because oh my god, I'm so excited. Don't forget to go visit her social medias and her Etsy shop and everything. She does an amazing job, and I am so happy that I met her. She's super cool. And yeah, so if you guys like what you see, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on all my social medias, and I will see you in my next video.